What is up, you guys? So today is Sunday, Father's Day here, and yeah, I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna buy or help our dad buy a car. So we've been looking online, and we've been asking him exactly, what kind of car he wants. He said he wants like a two-seater or a four-seater. He wants a convertible, and he wants automatic. So my brother, he was looking around online and he found a nice car. So today we went and took a look at it. The guy was asking 11 for it, and we started negotiating, and it was actually a pretty fun negotiation. And at first he started at 11, went down to 98, then 95. I gave him an offer, and I told him that's as high as I'm going to go on that offer there. And he says, okay, well, he's going to stick to his $9,800. So we're like, okay, we'll let you know. And at the very end, he said, yeah, I'll take 85 right now. And I told him, give us an hour. So right now I'm going to the bank. I'm going to get some money and we're going to go meet up with the guys. So keep watching. Peace. So where are we going right now, Dad?
We're going to pick up the car.
Oh, are you excited?
Retirement car.
Retirement car?
Oh yes.
What is this going to be? Is this just going to be your summer car?
Only for summer.
Only for summer. How about you, Mom?
Whatever he likes, I'll go with him.
Are you excited?
Maybe I didn't see the car yet.
What's your favorite color though?
Pearl white.
Oh, pearl white is your favorite color?
Ah.
Dad, you were right. You said it was Mom's favorite color.
Yeah. Pearl.
Well,
Why is it pearl white?
oh yeah, she's definitely pearl white. So we're almost there. I will update you guys when we get there. We'll go ahead and check it out. Make sure Mom likes it and go from there. So keep watching.
Alright, now we're back home. Picked up a new whip for my dad. Happy Father's Day. And I guess here's a reveal. So what you're looking at is a 2003 Lexus SC. We picked it up for $8,500, 160,000 kilometers. Overall, it's pretty neat. Let me just turn this camera around. 2003 Lexus SC has some rims on it already. I know it's kind of curved, but it still looks better than the stock rims, I'd say. We have a small little cosmetic imperfection over there, but it's been bondoed up and primed, so she shouldn't rust. But pretty clean. I think it looks pretty nice for its age. Hardtop, convertible, so that thing fits in the trunk just with the press of a button. White leather interior. It's kind of worn, but I guess we can do a nice leather restoration on that. That'll be another video in time. Comes with a 4.3 V8 engine.
What kind? The famous 3UZFE.
Yep. So I was doing some research online. It's a pretty reliable V8 engine that Toyota has made. Really quiet, like no ticking, no sounds from the drive belts, none of that. And yeah, I guess stay tuned. You'll see more on this car.
My love seems like
So we're gonna wrap today up with saying, you know what? Thanks, Dad, for everything. Thanks for you know, putting food on the table, putting clothes on our backs, roof over our heads. Definitely appreciate everything you've done. Hope you like your car. Again, stay tuned. We're gonna be doing things to this vehicle as well too. So thanks again for watching. Peace out, and yeah, keep doing what you want to do.